Welcome to JazzTime. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online. If you want to know the price, simply click the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you buy a watch from JazzTime once in a while. Today, we'll be talking about the Rolex Submariner Date, new 2020 model, reference number 126613LN, the new model in Rolex's line of Submariner dates. Submariners are the staple of Rolex timepieces dating back almost 100 years as of the making of this video. This 2020 model contains the 41mm case, 1mm more than that of the previous 116613LN from finger to thumb, and is made of oyster steel, both brushed and polished. Polished on the sides, brushed on top. And it also contains a yellow gold or yellow rosor, Rolex's signature compound of gold and steel for luster and strength in equal measure. The back contains the typical screw down case back, helping to ensure water resistance down to 300 meters or 1,000 feet. In addition to this, the right side contains the signature Rolex winding crown, and when screwed tightly to the case, continues to ensure superior water resistance. And while we're on the crown, we can demonstrate its function here. Simply unwind it to the first position, and you can wind the watch. The second position allows you to change the date by rotating it clockwise to advance the date. The third and final position allows you to move the minute hand, and notice that it also stops the second hand. Be sure to push it back in to begin the second hand and screw it back against the case to ensure superior water resistance. The crystal is a transparent, scratch-resistant sapphire, so there's no fear of soot threads or buttons damaging the crystal. And there's a Cyclops lens directly over the date for easy reading at a glance. The bezel is a unidirectional, rotatable bezel with a knurled edge to offer excellent grip, even underwater. The graduations are intended for divers to accurately and safely monitor diving time and decompression stops. A luminescent capsule at the 0-hour marker ensures legibility for even the deepest dives where light is scarce. So, for example, if I shine my black light on there and turn the lights out, you can see it right there. And also notice that the dial contains a chroma-like display for the hour markers as well as the hour and minute hands for easy reading. Notice that the second hand also has a tiny dot near the end so you can watch it as it moves around in the darkness. Turning lights back on. The simple shapes shown here, triangle at the 12, rectangles at the 6 and 9, and circles for all the rest, help make reading instant and reliable to prevent any confusion in the dark or underwater situations. The bracelet is the oyster style with flat 3-piece links made with the same materials as that of the case, yellow rosor down the center, with oyster steel on the outer links for strength. This clasp is the folding oyster lock safety, and it also contains a glide lock which allows you to adjust to just about any size. The most important part of this timepiece, from a technical standpoint at least, is the movement. One of Rolex's newer in-house movements, a 32-35 caliber, with plus or minus 2 second time differential per 24 hours, continuing to exceed Swiss standards of timekeeping. It is a perpetual, mechanical, and self-winding timepiece, so you only need to wind it once fully while wearing it to allow the timepiece to continue winding throughout the day. The oscillator contains a high-performance Paraflex shock absorber and paramagnetic parachrome blue hairspring to prevent electromagnetic interference, keeping the movement consistent in nearly any condition. The newer update, as a result of this movement update as well, is the 70 hours of power reserve. The older model, the 116613LN, only had 48 hours of power reserve. This model's power reserve, 70 hours, is exceptional, so you can sit down on Friday evening, pick it back up on a Monday morning, ready to conduct business, and it'll still be keeping track of time perfectly fine. No need to wind the crown, no worries, it's perfect. All right, now to try this on. All right, note that it is rather large on me, as this contains all of the links, all the factory provided links. But if I screw it up my wrist, it fits just fine. Note that the profile is still quite low against my wrist. Despite the textured bezel, it still allows it to slip in nicely under any coat or jacket sleeve, or any other long sleeve. So who is this for? If you're getting into collecting watches on an entry level, maybe an Oyster Perpetual 36, or a step above that, the Datejust 36 or 41 could work. But I believe that this third step, the Submariner at 41 millimeters, fits right in line with all the other Oyster Perpetuals and Datejusts in this size and generation. And anything above this model would say be a Sea Dweller, Sky Dweller, Daytona, etc. Those are for more specified functions and in their own respective worlds. For those in the beginning stages and needing a timepiece for only something like keeping time and date, this is an excellent place to start. Balances aesthetics and professionalism and function. So what are your thoughts on this timepiece? Are you in the market for your first watch, or would this be, say, your next choice, your second watch? Do you have the previous generation at 40 millimeters and lower power reserve? And so then, if so, do you think that this would be a good upgrade at a 70-hour power reserve? Leave us a comment, like and subscribe. Be sure to share the video, and we'll see you online in our store at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.